more successful. Unfortunately, I didn't record for the process of it. What am I looking at here? But this is kind of the thing I would be hoping to show you during all these. Here's what it rendered when I said, I don't know, Floppy and friends gathered around a campfire. We got this big fire in the background here. And that just looks like the forest is burning down. And after my edits, I made it look like this because I didn't want this campfire here. But you can see the light hitting these guys from that angle. And it's an orangey yellow light. So I was thinking that should probably be a sunset. So what I did was, I'll just try it again on the fly here. I made a pretty loose selection of this area, a little tighter around there. And I asked AI to generate sunset through the trees. So that forest fire would be replaced with another orange source of light. So it makes sense because I really love this image overall. I didn't want to give it up. So I'm always trying to salvage it. So they give you 3 options. See, any of these is better. That one's nice. The light hitting these guys from the back, an intense light source back there, makes sense. And now the forest is on fire. So I actually ended up using this one. And then here's my cleanup layer of just all the little weird artifacts and stuff. This looks like a hazelnut or an acorn or something. And it's actually to scale, so I left it. I thought that was just kind of a silly, cute thing. So, from forest fire to a lovely camp scene, the sunset. Bye.